I'm Jason King, and today we're going to go over how to install a Kindle app APK file on an Android tablet. The first step in installing an Amazon APK file is to make sure your device will allow you to install applications from untrusted sources. This basically means that you will allow the device to install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store. To update this setting, find and open your Settings application. Scroll down and find the Security tab inside the Security settings. Scroll to the Unknown Sources settings and make sure the box is checked to allow installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store. The next step is to open up your browser and navigate to amazon.com/get-app-store. Click the link to download the Amazon App Store and follow the instructions to install the Amazon App Store app. Once you have the application installed, open it and it will request that you log in. Log in with your Amazon credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one from your device or from your computer. Once logged in, you can then search the App Store, find the application you would like, and then click the Install button to download and install the application. So that's the best way to install a Kindle app APK file on an Android tablet.